Hello everybody and welcome back. So today guys, I'm going to show you a quick video on how you can renew your headlights. They do get a lot of black splatter sometimes, some dirt that a regular shampoo will not remove. So now I'm going to tape off the headlight in half. You won't see a massive difference on the video of the improvements, but it did clarify the headlight. So the product itself is from Turtle Wax. It's a headlight cleaner and sealant. So it's not exactly a polish. It's more of a cleaner, and it also leaves a sealant behind, so it can be used after polishing the headlight itself because it provides protection. And it's just a good maintenance product every once in a while. So as you can see, there is not a massive amount of difference. However, the left side is slightly more faded away. However, the headlights themselves, they're not in too bad shape. And now I'm gonna buff off the rest of the headlight, and the headlight felt smooth. It did add a bit of clarity. It's a cheap product as well. It cost me less than £5. It will last you for ages. And as you can see, the headlight looks a bit better. It's hard to detect it on the camera, as the headlights themselves, they're quite good. They were quite good in the first place. There's a bit of yellowing going on my headlights anyway. However, overall, nice maintenance product over headlights. Once in a while, it's good to do. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video, guys.